Good day everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel once again. So today I'm actually going to be teaching you guys on how to use the paragraph tag. So the paragraph tag is actually a very important tag in our HTML coding experience. So the paragraph tag will actually help us in placing our letters, our text in a very right position. So paragraph tags actually P then use it to, let me say, lorem petition. So this is an army abbreviation. So control and I actually refresh it. So this is actually a paragraph. It's actually paragraphs. So now let me show a difference between when it's in paragraph and when it's not in the paragraph. So now let's remove it from the paragraph by deleting the two paragraphs, the opening tag and the closing tag of the paragraph. So you can see the difference. As you could see the difference. So there's actually a difference between the paragraph when you actually added the paragraph tag and then you actually remove the paragraph tag. Actually give you the space, thereby spacing the letter and placing them in a well arranged pattern. So thank you guys for watching this video, and I hope in the next video you're gonna like it, and make sure you click on the subscribe button, share, and that's good. Thank you very much.